1. The Sun. The Sun is the controller of the solar system. It is a type of yellow dwarf and is the nearest star to the Earth. It is the biggest celestial object in the solar system. It has 4 zones: 1. Roche limit, 2. The hot region, 3. The Goldilocks zone, and 4th, the cold region. The Roche limit is when a celestial enter another celestial's Roche limit, they get crushed. That's why Saturn got its rings. The HHOT region, where Mercury and Venus is getting burned each second. The Goldilocks zone is an habitable zone where life exists, and the cold region, where Mars is, they freeze. 2. Mercury. This planet is the nearest planet to our Sun. It is the second hottest planet, and it is the smallest planet in the solar system. There's even a liquid called mercury which used in thermometers. 3. Venus. This planet is an almost twin-like planet to Earth. It is the hottest planet where the carbon dioxide traps the heat and could not let it go back. It is the second planet of our solar system. Once he had life, but because of the greenhouse effect, it doesn't have life. 4. Earth and the Moon. The Earth is only planet where life exists. It is the 5th planet in our solar system currently. It was 4th planet in our solar system before Planet X got launched into its current orbit. Earth is called Blue Planet because most of its surface, 72%, is covered with water, also known as H2O. It is in a zone called the Goldilocks zone where it suits for life to exist. 4.2 The Moon. It came after a collision of Earth and a Mars-sized object. The astronaut, Neil Armstrong, was the first to step on the Moon. Surprising, the Moon is the 5th largest moon in the solar system, like the Earth is 5th largest planet in the solar system. 5. Mars. This planet is bigger than Mercury, but smaller than Venus. It is called a red planet because its surface is covered by carbon oxide or rust. It is the future home of life. It has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, the 2 little asteroid-like moons. 6. The asteroid belt. It's a region of asteroids held by Jupiter itself. It is between Mars's orbit and Jupiter's orbit. It is remnants of an hypothetical planet called Phaeton, but it's a theory. It's only have one celestial series. A dwarf planet. 7th. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It has 98 moons, 4 of them are round-shaped while the rest are asteroid-looking moons. Its 4 moons are: 1 Ganymede, it is the only moon with a magnetic field and bigger than Mercury, and the largest moon, 2 Callisto, the far moon of Jupiter, US. Only nothing happens there. It is the 3rd largest moon and has dozens of craters. 3. Io. It is the active moon which every 400 volcanoes erupt every per hour or seconds. It is the 4th largest moon in our solar system. 4. Europa. It is the 6th largest moon, has underwater ocean, 4th largest moon of Jupiter and nearest moon. 8th. Saturn, the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. It has rings made of ice, dust and remnants of a moon named Chrysalis. It has 276 moons, 8 largest moons: Titan, Rhea, Iapetus, Tethys, Dione, Enceladus, Mimas, and Hyperion. 9th. Uranus, the 3rd largest planet in our solar system. It has carbon sulfide so that it's smelly. Usually, you think Neptune is the coldest planet, but you're wrong. Even thought Uranus is 7th planet. It is still the coldest planet. It has 28 moons within 5 largest: Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, Miranda, and has rings but not visible yet. 10th. Neptune. It is the windiest planet and the 4th biggest planet. It controls the Kuiper belt. It has 16 moons with 2 largest, Triton, and Captured Moon, and Proteus, and Square Shapend Moon. 11th. The Kuiper belt and the dwarf planets. The Kuiper belt also has asteroids but much bigger. They are between Neptune and Sedna. The dwarf planets, on the other hand, are small celestial object. Even Superior, they are smaller than the Moon and Mercury. Now, a definition of a planet means it has to orbit a star. It needs enough mass to be round and clears its neighborhood, and dwarf planets can't clear their neighborhood. And the can one are Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, Ceres, Sedna, Quaoar, Gong, Orcus, and Farfarout. 12th. Planet X and hypothetical planets. The planet X, which mentioned on Earth definition, is an 5th gas giant, was, until the Grand Tack happened and it flung out of his orbit and got into its new orbit. It is bluer than Neptune. For the hypothetical planets, well, let's just say, things did not go so well. Theia, a Mars-sized object, crashed into the Earth. Neith did also the same to Venus. Vulcan has no theory what happened. And Phaeton, which mentioned earlier. 13th. The Oort cloud. This is the most coldest region near the solar system. It has like 100 septillions ice. 14th, the rogue planets. They are the celestials of no stars. They just wander through space. Some of them even are failed stars and brown dwarfs. 5 known rogue planets are Ogle 2016 to 1986, Simpo 136, WISE 0855, 0714, OTS 44 and Paseo J 3421 4516. And last, 15th, the nearest stars. Proxima and Alpha Centauri are the nearest stars of the solar system except the Sun. Proxima is an red dwarf type star and Alpha Centauri A is large yellow star and B is small orange star. Thanks for watching us and bye.